serpentine belt, as you can see, got lots of wear. And check the bearings to see if these two bearings need replacement or not. So let's just remember the orientation, and I'll put a screenshot to the orientation of the belt. First thing. As you see, it has like this nice S pattern, the belt. Actually, the belt, besides just wear and tear here, it looks pretty decent. So the belt was still decently good. We're going to check for the bearings. Yeah, so this. We're going to be installing the bearings for the idle and tensioner pulleys, and here's the part number as recommended by S2KI forms. Idle pulley and the tension pulley, if you do want it from Honda, you need to replace the whole parts. They don't sell the kit. This is just about $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Now we're gonna start with the idle pulley because it's the easiest, and this is just a normal to loosen. This one's a reverse thread, so you're gonna need to be careful. Okay. So we got right here, and we got a little right here. There's a sleeve. Don't forget that. Take it out. 19. It's a 19. Well, we could probably just hold on. See here. Oh. We need to flip it. That's it. Out. Now we're under the reverse. New bearing.
Doesn't matter which way you put it in.
No, there's no way. This is a 30 mil, and just gently
tap it in. Just tap it in.
And that's it.
So just that push. No gap.
No gap. Let's put this. So we had here that, and then we got, there's a little gap here. We're gonna put that through this side. All right, no, other side.
Other side.
And this is just straight. And then we'll talk this to spec at the very end. Now that's how it should sound. Nothing. Oh, okay. So this one is a reverse fret. So this one's nice and easy because it's standard. Okay. This is a reverse fret, meaning we gotta go very. They say we need to be careful about. Yeah, it's the reverse press will catch you, and that's why I want to do this one the second. Awesome. Now let's take a look at it. So bearings right here. We're gonna flip it, and we're gonna take a look and make sure we get something to cover here. Let's clean it first. We found a support, and we're gonna whack it out.
There you go.
There we go. Just to get it. All right. So this one we said 3, and again. That looks pretty good. Yeah, this is backwards. my God, it's so quiet now. I'm gonna start here. Okay, and this one's reversed, so we gotta go. Perfect. Now you cannot hear it. All right, now let's put that on the mount here, and we're gonna put it back. New belt on. I'm using the Continental on the bottom, and it goes like this. Okay, now we just need to. You got it. 2 hands. Make it
a lot easier.
There we go. 2 minutes.
Let me know in the comments what modifications you would like to see next done to the S2000.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Gas. Beautiful.